welcome back to the channel. See, I've cleared big area, biggish area, and I think tomorrow is going to be the day. This is as ready as it's going to be. There's a couple of, I need to tighten those 2 bolts on that front brace bit. Other than that, fuel system's back together, brake lines are back together, gear changes in, new clutch, engine mounts, gearbox mounts. It's all looking pretty good. And of course when this goes, so the body, excuse the noise, I got machines back from work on test, which have proven to be a pain. This is what I normally do as a job. This is an analyzer for dirty water. Complicated analyzer for dirty water. An expensive, complicated analyzer for dirty water, which I couldn't fix on site. So I brought it out, brought it back. That's the same expensive, complicated, pain in the arse analyzer. What the hell is going on with my camera? Well, that's not good. Right, I apologise if the footage up to this point has been shite. Yeah, so I'm going to pull the body out. There was more stuff on it than that, only sheets and dust covers and stuff. Pull that out, that goes on the lift. Get that up in the air, then roll the chassis underneath it, support the body and pick the chassis up into the body. This is the plan. This is the plan, and tomorrow's the day. Oh my god, this is terrible. Yeah, I need to ring Vodafone. Because this is just... this video is going to be crap. Right, okay, so there's only a little update. I don't know if this will be a separate video. I've had to move a lot of things into that area there to make a bit of space. He said jiggly. And then that chassis can come out, I can get on with welding a Figaro, and that can be finished as well. So this has been the main sort of thing for the last couple of months, weeks, whichever. No, sorry, I'm gonna have to go. This is just ridiculous. Just doing our final bit of prep. Laid a bit of body foam. We're calling it body foam, not double glazing foam. Tapped all the body mounting bolts. My dad just painted some wax oil on the upper sides. All these bolts. Tapped all the ones on the front, all the ones on the plates here, and the ones on the top behind the engine. The body is out, ready to be rolled back onto the lift. These 2 noisy bastards are starting to behave themselves. So cleaned the area up. Apologies, I'm back on my F7 Edge, which is proven to be wobblier than a wobbly thing. I'm going to go and get my memory card from my G7X now. I've got the battery on charge. So I think probably we're going to go gusto on it in the morning now. But we'll see. Right, hang on, you're starting to pick up here.
On at the back,
right, are they screwed up or down? Screw them all the way up. No, the pads.
Yeah.
Yeah, they only go, there's a circlip underneath. Right, happy?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, think so. What?
Take it down again. Let's move this one in slightly further on the plan. Bring it back down. Okay. We'll go any further now.
No, I will. It's just it's locked out because it's up.
You see what I mean? If we can go back in to reduce the...
Hold on.
Okay.
Come on that way. It's recording.
Yeah.
No, it's
Because then you're reducing the strain on the plank anyway, aren't we?
yeah. I ain't really as worried about the front, to be honest. There's more weight in the back.
That one at the back is well on the pad.
Is that right now?
You happy with that?
Well, the pad's sticking out the back on this side. No, I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
The two bits of wood are screwed together,
Okay.
I think. Right?
Good to go.
Okay. I'll do. Okay. Oh, welcome back to my now messy workshop. Decided to underseal the underneath of the door is open so that it's tell underneath the TVR. So it's come up pretty nice. I just gotta deal with light issues and plug that. That's better. So yeah, it's all looking clean, painted, spangly, nice. We're happy with that. So I should have took the masking off when it was wet really, but I didn't. So I'm going to rip all that off now, tidy everything up, and get sorted for the chassis to roll underneath here. Then the big moment. What was that? So we're back, it's a bit later in the day. Been faffing about with them stupid things. Well, they're not stupid things. Stupid things, I can't get that one to do what I want. Body's up in the air. The last time we're going to see the gorgeous chassis in all its glory, but it's got to happen. So yeah, we're going to roll this underneath, put this on 4 dollies, bring the body back down, and then I can adjust it with the dollies to get it in the perfect position, and then hopefully pick this up and put it into the body. This is the theory. I'm good on theory. Or I'm good in theory. So yeah, it's happening. Pretty far out of line at the moment, which is why we're going to use the dollies. I think we've got everything to do it now. So we're crap. Not crap now. I'll roll the under now. Pretty much in position. What I'm going to do is the hanging string technique. Hanging string? Yeah. Hold something flexible up high where I know where the chassis bolt is. Hang it down from where my finger is, and it should line up in a straight line to that bolt. If I do that on the four corners, it shouldn't be a million miles away. Then we're going to drop the body down onto the stack of tyres at the back and the lift at the front, and then bring the arms out, down, pick the chassis up and lift the chassis up into the body. This is my plan. Okay, so I think we're set up now, reasonably straight and where we want to be. So we're going to drop the body down onto this tool cabinet, a la red china, and the two stacks of tyres with carpet tiles on at the back, and then bring the arms down and put the arms under the chassis there. Then the chassis can go up. The only bits we need to be careful of are all that wiring and tubing there, and the brake, I think anyway, the brake pipes on this side. So as long as we keep an eye on them, make sure the gear lever and the handbrake are going through the slot. Got to leave the cable off the handbrake so that you can pull it fully upright so it can go straight through the slot there. Lovely. Right, okay, let's give this a go. Putting this down as Luke James's fault. He said, "Oh, I've watched loads of these. You're gonna need to use pry bars." And the chassis is physically, you see that black bit there is overlapping the tube. Well, it's pretty much overlapping on this side as well. So you're in right, unfortunately. So we're going to drop it down a little bit, wrap pry bars in masking tape, try not to damage the chassis. I'll also use a bit of rag. And what we'll try and do is just pry them. So we're going to put the weight on it, the weight of the body on it, and then we're going to try and pry bar. Might do is do it till it's picking up one side a little bit. Back is looking sweet. Okay. mic drop, and done. I said mic drop and done, but I just want to revel in the prettiness of it for a minute. As you can see, it has come out stonking. In no small part due to my dad. He's been doing the components. I've just been doing the major strip down and put back together, but a little bit body could do it going that way very slightly, but we'll take that. And it looks awesome under there. So yeah, back in one piece. Sorted. Rip glove. Sorted. Right, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more stuff like this. And I will catch you later.